Good. We are based on daily chart. We want to analyze the chart for the next week. Okay, as we can see here now we have a correction. And if you refer back to our last video analysis, we say we want to get the correction and we're more interested in the down move. But the question is how high this correction and how long we will be within this correction, we are not sure. Because we were expecting we get the correction, we get this flat and we get the down move. Alright. One thing I need to highlight, how about if the possibility, is there possibility the price can continue correct or we get the spike up? Yeah, it's there. But if in terms of the trading, we are expecting that we get the correction and the price drop down. This is what we are interested in. Anyway, we move to forward chart. Alright. Based on forward chart, if you refer back to our last video, when the price was here, we say we want to get the correction before we look for the down move. And as we can see here, we had a correction. Okay, now we need to see what type of the possibility we will have here. The first possibility we are more interested in is this is the correction as a regular flat and relative to this. In this case, that means we are expecting the price to drop. How deep it can be, we are not sure. Okay, that means we are expecting the price from here can drop. Okay, the another one is still we are looking for the down move, but in terms of this flag we expecting to get a more complex. That means we get the price drop some more here, we get this correction, then the price move up, we get 1 2 3, then from there we get down move. Okay, this is the second option. In terms of the trading, we prefer this one because we are more interested in down move. That means we are more interested the price move up, we get this trade in terms of the risk and reward. Okay, rather than we get the trade for the continuation of this one. Okay, that means in this both option we are more interested in the down move, but not the question whether the price from here drop or it can carry. We will get the deeper consolidation and we get the higher price. Okay, how about if the price correct from here? How deep? It gives us a deeper correction rather than what we explained right now. Okay, we just let it go. And how about if there is a possibility the price from here move up? Yeah, it's still there. Maybe we get similar to what we have here. Okay, this means this correction will be in relative to this, similar to this, not in relative. Okay, but also the possibility of this move is there, but what we are more interested for this down move. The reason I mentioned about the other possibilities that when we want to trade, we should get the trade setup. Selling without the trade setup is not that good, because how about if everything change and the price move up, we get this correction as example. Okay, now we mention how we can trade it. Maybe move to 1 hour chart. Okay, how we can trade based on the one lower time frame. If you want to go for the first option, we say we get the regular flat. That means we are expecting for this move down move. In this case, as we can see here, we see the price is correcting. We need to wait the market to open and we see what type of the correction we get here. If the price from here drop without giving any trade setup, we just let it go. But if we see here we get the correction, the price reverse, we get the correction, we get the sell setup, yes, we take the sell. And if we take the sell, as long as the price comes to this level, we move our stop loss to break even. We see if there is a continuation, we keep it. But if we see there is a price is correcting, we take out the trade in case the price can reverse. Okay, similar to, because just now we say about the second option. The second option is the price come here, is move up, we get this correction in relative to this two move, and we are expecting a down move. This is the one we are more interested. Okay, then for the second option is similar to what we are explaining right now. There is a possibility the price correct here and reverse is okay. As long as the price come here, if we get this down move, we get this. But how about if we get a correction here? If we get a correction for the second option, still we look for the down move, we take the sell, and if we take the sell, as long as the price come here, if we see there is a continuation, we keep. this will be similar as I said. This part will be similar as the first option. We keep. If there is a, we see the correcting, we take out the trade. Then if we see the reversal, if there is any buy setup, we take the buy setup. If there is no setup, we just let it go. But if you get the buy setup, we take the buy. And when the price come here, why we want to take the buy setup? Because just now, based on the forward chart I mentioned, there is a possibility we get this move. Okay, in that case, if there is a buy setup, after we see there is a no continuation here, we take the buy. And if we get the buy, as long as the price came to the profit, we manage it. And when the price come to this level, if we see there is a continuation and the price is moving in sharp, we keep it. But if we see there is a correction, I mean the price come here is correcting similar to what we have here, or something like here, we see the reversal, we take out the trade, then we look for this move, down move. And what we wanted, again, we are more interested in the down move. But as long as if we get a correction here, if we get this trade, we take it in case there is a continuation. If we have this opportunity for this trade, we take it in case there is a continuation similar to this. Okay, and if these two move there is and happen, there was no continuation, then we are lucky, we can get what we wanted. How about if the price from here drop, we didn't have the sell setup, we just let it go, we don't take the trade. How about if the reverse, no buy setup, we let it go. But if we came to this option, this move, we try to manage and get the sell setup, because this is, if we sell at the top in terms of the risk and reward, it can give us very good trade. That's why we want to get this in terms of the risk and reward. Anyway, we don't have any trade set up right now, and when the market open, we see what we will get here, whether there is the price move up, the continuation, or a correction for the one move down. Then from there we can make a decision. In this case, we just follow the chart when the market open and we see what we have here. If I get any trade setup or update, I will share on YouTube. Thanks.